this is what happens when you come out here and rake their coop and get all their junk and garbage in a pile. Look what they're doing. Look at this. Who is that? I don't know if that's Roger or Dodger. Now Clyde. I'm gonna have to rake it all back in a pile. Sorry we haven't done videos lately. You just get busy. You know, I wish we could crank out more, do it more often. It's just we can't get in the routine. Just cleaning today, raking out their stuff. Put a oyster shell feeder over there. Let's see. We started getting a lot of eggs, so we're upgrading their nest boxes. Let's see. Nope. Yep. I'm not good with their names yet. I think that's Olive escaping through the nest box. But I just put, Brandy got these pads, just put those in there. But they really started laying, so we're making sure they got a good spot to do it. Now I'm gonna catch her and put her back. Now they have a little mealworm snack. I gotta rake up this mess again that Roger and Clyde, maybe that might have been Dodger. Dodger and Clyde messed up my trash pile, but it's snack time. Alrighty, good stuff.